In this numerical problem, the statement is that imagine a motorcycle rider moving with a speed of 0.800 c past a stationary observer. If the rider tosses a ball in the forward direction with the speed of 0.700 c with respect to himself, what is the speed of the ball as seen by the stationary observer? By reading this statement, you have some sense that how I have explained that earlier picture, that clip art, with the help of the clip art, how basically I have solved this concept. And so here you know that there is a person, so I'm sorry again, that there is a rider throw a ball, right? And this is a person who is standing across the road. So the speed of the bike with respect to this person is known. That will be v, because this is a frame. This bike is a frame of reference, and the speed of that with respect to this person will be v. When this person throw a ball, the speed of the ball will be ux prime in his frame of reference, and speed of this ball according to this observer we have to find out. So now according to the statement that here a motorcycle rider moving with the speed of 0.80 c, so this will be v. So v is equal to 0.800 c. Past a stationary observer, if the rider tosses a ball in the forward direction, right, with the speed of 0.700 c. So now you can imagine that this is the speed of the ball with respect to the observer O prime. So it will be ux prime. So ux prime is 0.700 c. So now there are only three variables in this particular topic. Two are given, so third one will be what? That will be ux. So with respect to himself, what is the speed of the ball as seen by the stationary observer? So stationary observer in S frame, and that is O unprime frame, so you have to find out ux. So now the formula is clear, that ux is equal to ux prime plus v upon 1 plus ux prime v upon c square, and everything is known, the value of ux prime, the value of v, and the speed of light. So you can put the value and find out the answer. Ux prime is equal to 0.700 c plus v is equal to 0.800 c, and further you can put the value of here 1 plus ux prime is this one and v is this one, so multiplication, that c square and 0.700 c multiplied by 0.800 c and divided by c square. When you will solve this question in these numerical points, the answer will be approximately 0.9615 c. So this is the basic idea which I did try to solve by making that clip part, right? So if this idea is clear, so you can not face any problem into the next numerical problems, right? So this was our basic idea of the rider on a bike and this stationary observer. So instead of what is the point? Point is now instead of using this bike I can use a spacecraft, and this spacecraft fire a rocket, right? So the speed of the rocket relative to the observer O prime, that will be ux prime, and the speed of this spacecraft in which this observer pilot is sitting, that will be treated as a v relative to the earth, that is a stationary plane, and the observer on the surface of earth will be treated as O. So this is the basic idea. Now what I said, that instead of using the rider on a bike, you can use two spacecraft also, and on the basis of that you can solve this problem. So now I am using this problem in which I have mentioned that a spacecraft alpha is moving at 0.90 c with respect to the earth. If spacecraft beta is to pass alpha, a relative speed of 0.50 c in the same direction, what speed must beta have with respect to the earth? So now you can again think about the same example which we have considered here, that there is a bike. Now instead of bike there is a spacecraft alpha that is moving at 0.90 c speed relative to the earth. So this will be v. If spacecraft beta, there is another spacecraft beta, you can imagine that this is a ball into the forward direction. So beta is to pass alpha, a relative speed of 0.50 c. So what is this? This is ux prime. In the same direction, what speed must beta have with respect to the earth? So you have to find out the speed of the ball, that is spacecraft beta, here with respect to the earth. It means you have to find out the ux again. So by making this picture in this way, that we have two spacecraft, this is one spacecraft into the forward direction, that is alpha, and speed of this alpha spacecraft relative to someone, you can say that this is a person here who is standing on the surface of the earth, right? Beta is another spacecraft, right? So this is, you can say, beta. So beta is another spacecraft, and its relative speed with respect to the alpha, that is also given, right? So there are two spacecraft into the air. This is alpha, this one is beta. This speed of this spacecraft is given with respect to this observer, and that will be v. Now this spacecraft passes to the spacecraft alpha with some speed, that will be relative speed of this spacecraft with respect to this one, and that is basically, will be ux prime. So now the question is that you have to find out the speed of this spacecraft beta with respect to this particular observer, that is on the surface of earth, O observer. So this is the statement of the numerical problem. A spacecraft alpha is moving at 0.90 c with respect to the earth. This is earth, this is spacecraft alpha. Speed of this spacecraft alpha with respect to the person who is standing on the surface of earth is how much? That is 0.90 c. Now in the second statement, if spacecraft beta, this is spacecraft beta, is to pass alpha, a relative speed of 0.50 c. So now I am saying this one is beta, right? Passes to this one with relative speed 0.50 c. This was flying into this space, and now the second one pass it to into the same direction like this one, right? So passes it. So relative speed of the this one is given, that is 0.50 c. So if all these things are clear, and try to correlate you with the earlier example of rider on a bike, that this question and the earlier question is almost same. So here you have to find out the speed of beta with respect to the earth observer. So on the other hand, you can make a picture also of this problem. So this is suppose S prime frame, so that is moving with the speed v, you know. But here I have to generalize this S prime frame connect with the spacecraft. So suppose this one is a spacecraft, alpha. So alpha, and here you can make a person that will be the observer O prime, that is pilot of this spacecraft alpha will be O prime, and alpha spacecraft is treated as S prime. Speed of this spacecraft relative to a person who is standing on the surface of the earth. This is surface of the earth, here is a man. You can make it like this way. Speed of this spacecraft relative to the earth, how much? That is 0.90 c. 0.90 c. So this is v. V is given. Now there is a second spacecraft, beta, right? So beta is another spacecraft, and there is also an observer, but that is not important point. So this is spacecraft beta. Speed of this beta spacecraft relative to this frame alpha is given, that is 0.50 c. In the next statement, alpha is a alpha. If spacecraft beta is to pass alpha, a relative speed of 0.50 c. So this speed is given 0.50 c. So you know this will be looks like a rider throw a ball, right? And this is treated as ux prime. Now in the question what they are asking, what speed must beta have with respect to the earth? So you have to find out the speed of this spacecraft with respect to this observer, and that is O, and this speed will be ux. So you have to find out the ux in this numerical problem. So ux is equal to, again the same formula, ux prime plus v upon 1 plus ux prime v upon c square. And what are the values are given? You just put here. Ux prime is also given, that is 0.500 c. V is also given, that is 0.90 c. So put the value here and find out the answer. When you will put the values, you will get 0.97 c, approximately the value of ux. That is the relative speed of the beta spacecraft with respect to the earth observer. So the point is basically, if you have the basic idea or this basic concept of the bike, you can generalize it anywhere.